Hiya, Ian Dixon here. Today I'm going to share something with you that is a business strategy that I'm fairly confident that if you own a business, you aren't making use of this business strategy right now. And if you did, it would absolutely get you more sales, it will get you more inquiries, and it will get people to spend more money with you on your product or service than other people if you have this thing in place. So if that's of interest to you, then stay with me for literally 4 or 5 minutes. These videos are never any longer than that, 4 or 5 minutes. I'll share with you what this concept is. I've been dining out on it for the last 10 years at least. People still aren't implementing this strategy in their businesses, and so here's a fabulous opportunity for you to grab it. Make use of it, because I'm guessing that you're not using it, and if you do start using it, it will transform your business. So there is something that money loves that people will spend their money on. As consumers, we're all consumers, we will spend money on this thing. In fact, we will spend more money on this thing than something that might be cheaper than others. So let me explain. It's probably difficult to explain it without telling you what it is. So essentially, money loves speed. So we live in a consumer world now where we want everything yesterday. Sometimes it can take us a long time to make our minds up, but once we've made our minds up, we want it now. So cars are a really good example of it. I can spend months trying to pick a car. Once I've made up my mind which car I would like and go to the showroom, they tell me I've got to wait 6 months. I'll start shopping around till I can find somebody that's got one in stock. So I can remember buying business cards and ringing 3 people until somebody answered the phone to tell me and answer all the questions and then deal with it straight away. So PC World would not exist without money loves speed. So we can go into a superstore like PC World, load our trolley up with products that are more expensive than other places, but we will buy it from there because we know we can take it home now. So the secret here is to exploit this whole concept of money loves speed, and to make sure that all of our marketing materials and all of our sales literature, websites, our social feeds, business cards, everything in some way, shape or form represents the fact that we embrace how important we appreciate, or how much we appreciate that speed is of the essence to you as a consumer. So that could take the form of next day delivery. Items are in stock, we answer the phone within 3 rings, we aim to resolve all our customer problems within same day. There are lots and lots of ways in which you can represent it. In fact, as a business strategy, we have worked with lots of businesses in lots of different ways to represent speed as a big part of their marketing sort of message. I know some businesses, in fact there'll be, I'm sure, a business owner that watches this video that has stood in front of my audiences before and shared how last year he took that strategy away and how it's helped his business, where they've offered in express delivery and then super express delivery, charged a premium for it, and people always go for the quicker delivery. It's what we do as consumers. We can thank the likes of Amazon for same day, 2 hour, Amazon Prime, the whole expectation levels are raised. Why wait? We want stuff straight away. So there you go. That was pretty much it today. Money loves speed. Go check your website, go check your marketing literature, your social feeds, your Facebook banners, your email signatures, everything that is outward facing. Make sure that you represent how quickly you will deliver your product or service, and you will win business from your competitors. People will pay more for your product or service. and you will run a business that is slicker, smoother and smarter because you have a business that is geared towards getting stuff in and out the door, whether that be product or service. So that's my top tip for today. Money loves speed. Please be speedy and hit the subscribe button. Another video for you tomorrow. These are just 5-6 minute business tips, single tips that over the last 15 years have transformed businesses and business owners' lives. Sometimes they'll be about mindset, sometimes they will be about knowledge, and sometimes they'll be about action that you need to take. Marketing, sales, systems, team, recruitment, financials, numbers, we've got it all to come. So lots to share. So thank you for tuning in. Like I say, we will catch up with you again tomorrow with another video, but I'm going to say bye for now.